How to add and connect your Dropbox storage account with your Outlook, easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook, this is the home page as you can see. Go to the top corner, click on your profile. Now go down and click on the settings option down here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now go to the option of add storage account. Click on add storage account and now click on the Dropbox option right here. As you can see, very easy and fast. After you click on it, it will take you directly to your Dropbox and you can connect it. Very easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.